English with Ali sir. Today we are discussing prepositions, one of the critical topics in English grammar. As a grammarian, I'm making it quite easy. For example, let's take example today, the usage of between and among. Between and among. Between is used for two persons or two things, while among is used for more persons or more things. Let's take a couple of examples. For example, there was a fight between Ali and Raza. There was a fight between Ram and Raheem. So, two things are there. When two persons or two things are there, what would you choose between these two things? So there are two things, then you have to choose between. So, for example, write an essay between 150 to 200 words. So there are two choices. So when there are two choices, two things, two persons, you have to use between. Now coming to among. There was a fight among children, showing plural, more than two. So when there are more than two things, two persons, more than two persons, then you have to use among. For example, distribute these sweets among children. So among the teachers, Ravi stands the topper. So like these, when you go for between and among, always use between for two things or two persons. Among is used for more than two persons or more than two things. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.